Activity 2 teaches number bonds. Number bonds help visualize how numbers are split or combined. Here she is choosing a numbered block and placing it in the top box. Then she counts out the same number of animals into one of the lower boxes. She knows that the total number of minis is 5. By splitting the minis into 2 boxes, she hasn't changed the total number. She's only changed how it is represented. Now she has a group of 5 and splits it into a group of 3 and a group of 2. With your help and explanation, have your child fill in the simple addition equations, pointing to the boxes as you explain that 3 plus 2 equals 5. You can have your child recount the minis in both boxes, pausing after the first box number 3 and then moving to the next box and continuing with 4 and 5. As you work your way to the subtraction problems, you can regroup the minis into a pile of 5 and then take away 3 of them to show the 2 remaining.